Wait and win. Time and price tell you when. Breathe it out. It's time to clock into the rocket shooter night shift. Night shift. Oh yeah. It's good a night shift. Night shift. It's the night shift, baby. It's good a night shift. Night shift. It's good a night
Yo, 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 what's going on, fam? What's going on? Welcome to the first ever Rocket Scooter Sunday night show. How's everybody doing? How's the weekend been? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome in, everybody. Oh man, look, we got Neon coming in. We got Matt already coming in. We got Adam, Sniper, Tabriz, Chemical, Ethan, Mike, Kevin, Gabe. What's going on, y'all, man? Welcome in. Welcome in. We are breaking new ground again. We did it all week last week, and now we're breaking new ground again. Welcome to the soon-to-be #1 evening stream of day trading futures live at night. Welcome to the night shift, baby. Glad you guys are here. Welcome in, Zill. Glad you're back. Pocket, what's up? Mark, what's up? Denny, welcome. Don, welcome. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? It's a brand new week, and man, things are already ripping. I saw Matt tweet out that he's already made like 38K. What? Shorted off the open on MNQ. I took a small little loss. I was trying to get everything set up and just test everything that was working. And I was like 4 micros. And I think it was somewhere down. I saw it open and pop down and I started selling, but then it started flying back up. And I had to get all of the stream stuff set up. So this account right here was a little bit down, but we'll make it back. It's all right. Hope you guys are having a great time. Matt will refund it for you. It was for the stream. That's right. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope you got away from the charts a little bit. Man, it's good just to be able to get away from the charts, chill out, get some fresh air, you know, all that kind of stuff. Live life, go out, have a good time, be with your people. But man, we opened and we have dropped already off the highs. We've dropped 130 points, down about 109 right now. MHP, overnight MHP is sitting right below us here. So it's going to be really interesting to see what happens when we get down to this level. We got DD band a little bit lower under there still. Crazy with all of the tariff stuff that happened Friday. Supreme Court rules that the way Trump went about the tariffs was unconstitutional, and so all of the tariffs get wiped off the board, and then he comes back and he issues something like a 15% worldwide tariff, if I understand correctly. So coming down to MHP, man, anybody gonna try this long off MHP? How we feeling? The ES MHP is it's about the same distance. It's a little bit further down. Wait a second, this isn't the right one. Here we go. The ES. I didn't update ES, I just updated MES on my overnights. So the MES still has a little bit of room to run down here. MNQ, man, we're getting up on that MHP right now. So I'm wondering what happens here. I was looking at VIX. VIX is under triple B. We ended up coming down for the rest of the week and over the end of Friday, getting back below there. So we're under triple B, which means volatility should settle down a little bit. But man, what a drop. And look at what silver's doing. Silver's just ripping. And this is the risk interval box here that I have over here on the side. This is our risk interval box, which means it's based off the margin requirements, and they actually went up. Silver is just ripping off of the Asia. It's already blown through the risk interval. You can see though, the nice reaction it has when it really rips through there, it comes right back up to it. I don't know. These DD bands are from the Rocket Scooter platform, but I don't know. Gold and silver are both above their DD band. However, on the close, and Matt, I don't know if he's still in here. He might be able to give us some input on this. But like the silver futures, upper DD band, 84,375, right? The close. God, sorry. I had church this morning and I sang and my voice is still not great. And so I'm a little raspy and I might be cracking like a 7th grade junior high boy in the locker room tonight. Let's see. Close is way down here. So I don't know if DD bands operate off of this close here or if we need to get them updated for tomorrow or what. But it seemed a little odd that the upper DD band was right where silver closed already. So might have to look at that. I'm not sure. I don't really look at silver and gold all that much until Thursday's stream is the first time I put it on here. But we do have the risk interval box to work with, and we can see when it blows through that risk interval box right off the open, it immediately wants to come back down and get back in here. That's not saying it can't rip, but man, what a rip off of silver. Gold as well. Opened above DD band here. If you take off of this low, this run up here off of the low, you can see it broke through as well, and now we're coming back down and pulling back into this risk interval box. But same thing here, Matt. It opened up like the close at 4 p.m. was way up here at 519, and it shows the upper DD band at 5125. So I don't know when those get updated for metals. It did seem a little odd to me, but man, what a rip, silver and gold. I'm guessing also that the news off of the tariffs is I'm guessing what's getting such a big sharp downward reaction here right off of the jump. But what happened Friday with me? Friday we have a soldier down. This this Lucid Flex account got blown out. Let me check. You're probably putting the J values in the H contract. Change the value in the table for contract months. Boo, boo, boo. Do. Second column in the table. Oh, over here. I got you. Hey, now we know what we're talking about. Well, I think silver is still H, if I'm not mistaken. I think silver is still H. But let me Let me see if that changes anything. Yes, we'll be doing giveaways. We got 2 giveaways tonight we'll be doing. $84685. Ooh, there is a bug. I found it. Okay, cool. Bug on the silver. Let me check. I think my gold might actually be on. Yes, and on J, I need to change the gold to J. That will probably make a difference. Let's see. Gold 5143.5 4. Let me get to gold here. 51. It did make a difference, not a huge difference. Let's see, 51, what was it? 51.43.4. Sure. And on J, 50.18.2. All right. Still popped up above DD bands. I feel like those may have been Friday's DD bands, but we'll see. It didn't update the table when I switched contracts. Interesting. Okay. Well, it's fine. It's all good. We still have risk intervals to work with. The risk intervals did change since last time because I had those written down, and they actually increased both on silver and gold. They increased on silver and gold. So I do know that the risk intervals updated correctly. All right, here we are. MNQ down here. MNQ down here at dynamic overnight MHP. Chat, what are we thinking? Anybody going to try the long off of MHP tonight? Oh, I forgot to tell you. Oh, I was talking about my Lucid Flex. We had a soldier down. We lost this Lucid Flex account up here, and that was the Supreme Court tariff ruling loss. It was a complete and utter gamble. Oh, I don't have my lights on. I forgot. Oh my gosh. My wife just texted me. She's like, babe, turn your lights on. I'm just vibing out in here. There we go. No one said anything. No one said anything in the chat. You're like, why is this guy just sitting in a black, dark room? Oh my gosh. Well, welcome in, guys. Again, if you're just joining us, my name is Brad. This is the first ever evening stream. First ever Sunday night day trading with Matt, Rocket, Scooter, Alive Futures Trading. And I'm so glad you guys are with me. If you are new to the stream, maybe new to the channel, Matt streams every day in the morning from about 7:45 till about, well, I guess it's about 8:45 Eastern until about 12:30, and then he goes over to My Funded Futures. But then we have Neon, our brand new streamer, who absolutely just killed it in his first week last week. He streams from 1:30 Eastern till the market close. And then I am here with you now every single night that the market is open, Sunday night through Thursday night, starting at 7 p.m. Eastern. And we'll just go until, things just die. But 10 o'clock, I'll probably shut it down for sure, 7 to 10. But if things aren't just not going anywhere. Last week, we had a couple of evening sessions where we were literally like ES was in like a 4-point little just choppy range, and there was really nothing happening, and so we cut it a few minutes early. But man, we're just here hanging out, having a good time with each other. So updates on the accounts. The Lucid Black is still sitting right at 25,387. The Lucid, one of the Lucid Flex is gone. That one, I may reset it. I don't know. We have this Lucid Flex that's halfway to profit target. And then we have the two My Funded Future Flexes down here that are just basically, not really, we really haven't made much headway on those. This one was up about 300. I took that little loss tonight, so we'll see. What's up? What's going on, guys? Fraser. What's up, iDoc? iDoc, it looked like you had an incredible weekend getting a beautiful new bracelet that I saw on the socials. Matt was so kind, getting you, taking you out and letting you shop. It was beautiful. All right, y'all, let's get them numbers up. Hit that like button. We need to get the likes up. We need to get the views up. This is our very first Sunday night stream. Share it. Put it on every device that you have. Get your wife on it. Get your kids on it. Come on. Let's go. I don't know. I feel like this thing wants to head down, but I feel like any pop. Do we take the pop off of MHP? Do we think there's going to be a pop? What are we thinking over here, guys? Looks like we got one long down here off of MHP. Too much room for ES to fall to its MHP, not longing. I kind of feel the same, Kev. I feel like ES still has quite a bit of room down here to get to its overnight dynamic. So I feel like any move, any pop back up, I'm going to short into that. If we get any movement back up here in NQ, I think I want to play this back short down into MHP. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to sit and wait. We're just now 17 minutes into the 7 o'clock hour. Market opened. Tried to fill the gap from last weekend and just has collapsed. So I'm liking the short side here, I think, down into this MHP level. That's what I'm going to be looking for. Silver still kind of sitting around near the top up there. Gold has really kind of pushed back up. I mean, pushed back down after its massive run up from the open. Asia open here. We ran 65. It's crazy, man. I'm assuming, and this is just my assumption, I'm not a metals guy. I'm not a gold guy. But I'm assuming that this is all tariff related. That people are running back into a safer asset in gold, thinking that with the new tariffs coming out over the weekend, a 15% global tariff, that this is that reaction to silver and to gold. That's what my so my gut is telling me about this. Again, I am not your metals guy. I will become better at metals. I know there's a lot of people that like to trade metals at night. What's your overall bias currently? On what? On the equities or metals? Metals, I don't really have an overall bias. Other than that, it's just ripped up off of the weekend news that tariffs are coming back. They got cut, and people were kind of waiting to see, they got cut, and then all of a sudden over the weekend, now we have more metals. So could be on another leg up here. What's for dinner tonight? I don't know. I'm not really sure. I don't even know if I'm going to get dinner tonight. We'll see. We'll see. I think Remy might make an appearance tonight. Market generally. So market generally, look, if you go out here to the daily time frame, we're still in this whole crappy place right here. Like nothing is going on. You get like 3 big down days and you're like, oh, finally we're going to be bearish. And then you just get massive up days. And then pretty much all week last week was not super heavy one way or the other. Until we get out of here to the top or the bottom, it's just really hard to have a strong bias. I really just am extremely neutral on where I think this is going. There's some days the market closes and I'm like, oh, cool. I think we're finally we're going to get some direction. And then we chop right back into the middle of all this. So I don't know, Ollie, I guess is my best impression here. I think I lean if I had to pick a direction, you know, I'm probably leaning bearish. Oh, more than I am bullish. I don't think there's enough bullish going on. There we go, crashing through MHP on NQ. I think the play might be down here towards DD band tonight. It's crazy. Getting tacos. Tacos sound good. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't long MHP. I wanted a little bit more of a pop. I would have liked to seen a little bit of a pop up, and I wanted to short back down into that level. Never really got there. And now it's kind of like, you know, knife catchers anonymous. This is where people get cut up because they're like, they sell in or they start trying to buy the bottom or they start trying to sell the bottom and you get that retracement. MHP does in fact hold. This is just an overshoot and you come up, you close above, bounce, and then you run back up, maybe back into the highs. Ollie says short to DD. Yeah, wait for the retest here. Wait for the retest here and maybe short MHP. Could be the play. Could be the play. I mean, we could take it on. I need to get the MNQ contract up here. You do like 3. We could sell that off of the MHP test. Didn't get the best entry there, but we'll see if it keeps falling. Taking this on the Lucid Flex account that's about halfway to its profit target there. Definitely feels weak, doesn't it? It feels super heavy. It feels like we didn't even pause. Like we crashed right through overnight MHP, came back up, tapped it, and it's just fallen. Frazier's in a long on gold. Okay. I mean, it seems like a good play, bro. Are we back to just clicking buy on the metals? Is that where we are? Or is it back into the season of just click buy on silver and gold? Maybe. 24.9 short from 908. I wish I would have gotten that pulled up faster. That was a nice little tap off of MHP there. Vadi trying to long again. Okay. Vadi, we have a song called, I don't know if Vadimus, I don't know if you're part of the Rocket Scooter fam or not. I don't recognize that chat name. Maybe you are. Maybe you're in here a lot. I don't know. But we have somebody wrote a song that's kind of become one of the main theme songs here called Knife Catchers Anonymous. I don't know if it's still in the song submission channel though. I think Matt cleaned out most of the song submission and only left the new. We do have some new tunes to go through though. Balut Frenzy. Somebody wrote a Balut Frenzy song when Matt was talking about it last week. I have never eaten balut. I've seen pictures of that stuff and I just can't. Rocket Scooter AI got the check mark. Let's go. It's still there? Okay. Is there a way to search? Because, man, we kind of need a Knife Catchers Anonymous. Is there a way to search Knife Catchers Anonymous on just that thread? I don't know if you can. Oh, there's a new one. Duckhead is fire. We're gonna have to agree to disagree. So where is the song though? Oh, there it is. Here we go. Is that it? Yeah. Hold on, hold on.
It was just.
Hold on, here we go.
Hi, my name is Dave, and I caught the dip again. I thought it was the low. It was just another wick.
This song is so good.
Saw it on the 5-minute heart, skipped a beat.
I wish I could. I need to download this. That's what I need to do.
Kinda neat. No confirmation, no real bias, but I hit
That way I can just have it to play all the time.
red in the face. Stomach was thin, tape was slow, but something inside said,
It's kinda
"Bro,
neat."
just go." 20 handles later, it dumped on me.
I thought it was a
Still
low.
waiting for the MHP. Welcome to Knife Catchers Anonymous.
I don't know how he didn't win a lifetime subscription with this song either.
You sure
Oh wait, crap! Dang it! That's because I clicked off of it in Discord. I'll play it. Hold on, hold on. I downloaded it. I download. You downloaded it? I did. Hold on.
Confessions of a
That's not the right one. Go away. That was something special I was cooking up for y'all. Oh my gosh. I feel like such a noob. What the heck is happening? Where'd it go? This is ridiculous. My computer is getting kind of funky here. Hold on with me. What's going on? It's all locked up. Hold on. I downloaded that song, and now my cursor is hardly moving. It looks like it's stuck in like tar or some virus. No, it wasn't. There's no virus. I don't know why it's like, what's going on though? I just maybe have so many things open. Kind of right back up to my entry there. Man, I missed that dip. I was too busy messing with the music. Y'all got to shout at me. ES still has some room down to MHP. That's kind of what I'm hoping for as we get down here. Come on, mouse. Don't be like this. Okay,
Hi,
We're
my
back.
name is Dave, and I caught the dip again. I thought it was the Lord.
Poppy asks,
It was just
where's the NQ going? I don't know.
another.
Looks like it's falling. Looks like it's going down, down, down.
Saw it on the 5-minute, heart skipped a beat. Formed a little hammer, looked kinda neat. No confirmation, no real bias, but I hit long. Now I'm red in the face. Stomach was thin, tape was slow, but something inside said, bro, just go. 20 handles later, it dumped on me. Should have waited for the MHP. Welcome to Knife Catchers Anonymous. We buy the blood and pray it's bottomish. You win, I'm in, you sure. Too late. All counts, account liquidated. FOMO strong, my hands are weak. Been wrecked all month now, twice this week. So gather round and sing this song. Knife catching feels so right until it's wrong.
Come on, guys, hit that like button. Where else do you get music like this when you're trading futures live in the evening session?
Discord said volumes legit. I even saw divergence, bro. I swear. Then came the liquidation pin.
Bro, I swear.
Again, by the market's blade, another low, another fade. Support is fake. My will is thin, but this next one's gotta win. Right. Welcome to Knife Catchers Anonymous. Our dreams are bold, our risk preposterous.
Shorts are getting, longs are getting hammered right here.
Signs, then cry in group when we cross the lines. Charts are red, my soul is too. Accounts in drawdown, deja vu. But we'll be back, we never learn. Catching knives till everything is gone.
Asia session moving tonight, finally.
I'm Dave,
I'm Dave, and I
and I
caught
caught
the dip
the dip
again.
again.
Let's go. That song is fire. Man, look at you, Kev. Double boot camps. Yo, this is how we ended the stream. This is how we ended the stream on Thursday. We had a boot camp train. Just, it was nuts. It was crazy. I think we gave away 16 boot camps on Thursday night's stream. And look at Kev. Kev jumping in here right now, donating 2 boot camps. Matt's going to match that times 3. So that's 8 boot camps we're giving away tonight, along with 2 prop firm giveaways. We're going to be giving away a Funded Next account and a My Funded Futures account tonight. We'll be getting that once we get a little bit deeper into the stream. I'd love to see those numbers come up, guys, man. This is our first Sunday night stream. Let's go. This is our first Sunday night stream. Got to rename the stream to Bootcamp Mania. Kevin, thank you so much for doing that, man. This is exactly what happened last Thursday. We started talking about the new boot camp that's coming out, and we were talking about just how awesome it is. People were asking, like, how can we learn the rocket scooter stuff? Who's the best coach we should go to? All these kinds of things. And everybody just started chiming in about how powerful the boot camp was and how much you can learn there and how much you take away from it, how much it helps your trading and, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. Do I hold this? Do we hold this down to DD band? ES hasn't gotten it's kind of undershooting its overnight level. I think I'm going to hang on to it. I think I'm just going to hang on to it. I'm going to wait for ES to touch MHP, and then I'll close this out. So I'm watching ES. My trade is on NQ. Dude, Rockin' Viper, congrats on the show, Brad. Much love to the fam. Thank you so much for that. Appreciate that, buddy. Appreciate that. You guys are what make this stream as good as it is, not me. I'm just here chilling. I'm just here kind of rambling, talking about the markets. It's the Rocket Scooter fam club here that is really what makes this community and this stream so special. So, man, thank you so much. That's very kind of you. But yeah, I would like to see ES get down to its HP level here before I look to close this out. I would like to, I think NQ's still coming down. Gold is still kind of had that run up, little pullback. I think gold is running still higher. Silver still hanging out at its highs, right at its overall risk interval level here. Yeah, I still think we have room to the downside. It's nice to see some movement in the Asian market. We had the Lunar New Year Chinese holiday was like last weekend and stuff, and I'm wondering how much that had to play into kind of the lack of volatility that we saw. I know Asian session generally doesn't move a ton, so it's nice to see. Here we are, MNQ off of the highs, 177 points. That's a monster move for the Asia session here. So I'd like to see us keep making lower lows here. Up in my gold trade. Let's go, Frazier. Letting it run a bit. Bitcoin melting as well. Is it really? Let's check out Bitcoin. Oh man. Oh man. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on the move down. Interesting. Bitcoin going down, gold going up. It seems recently they've been moving together. I know Matt's talked a lot about this on the morning stream, where he's talked about how if Bitcoin's dropping, gold's dropping, the market's dropping. Here we have Bitcoin going down. We have the market moving down. And we have gold and silver ripping higher. Hey, what's up, Core Trades? Welcome in, buddy. Glad to have you. Hit that like button if you haven't already, guys. Hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, welcome in. My name is Brad. I'm the host of the Day Trading with Matt Rocket Scooter evening session now, Sunday through Thursday nights, 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern. Man, if you're new, check out the channel, subscribe to it. Watch Matt in the mornings, watch Neon in the afternoons, and then I'm here with you every single evening that the market's open. Oh, man, first timer. Let's go. Any other first timers with us? Welcome in. Christ for you too. Welcome in, buddy. Yeah, it seems like it seems like all the money is going to safe haven, the gold and the silver. It seems like they're piling back into the gold now that Trump has kind of rearmed with the. Now that Trump has kind of rearmed the 15% global tariff. Somebody can correct me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what I heard, was that he was like, you know what, and Matt talked about this on the stream as well, where he was saying, I'm gonna watch ES here. If ES starts breaking down, then I'll probably close my NQ trade here. Matt was saying Trump's gonna find a new way to get the tariffs back in. Like, that's just what he does. He's like, okay, well, I tried this. They said, no, you can't do that. Okay, well, now I'm going to try this, and I'm still going to put them out there. And the other nice thing is all those trade agreements that he ended up doing, I think they're still in place. Like, those countries aren't just going to rescind those trade agreements, even if the tariffs get lifted. So he's still looking for ways to he's still looking for ways to bring the tariffs in. And he's going to, 15% tariffs across the board. Yeah, that's right. That's what I thought he said. Metals are defensive for stagflation. Metals tend to be safe haven. Like when people are unsure about the value of the dollar and the value of overall like direction of the market, if they're bearish, they're pulling money out, taking cash out of the market. A lot of times they dump it into the metals. Or they put it in the sidelines, just hold on to it. Keep their powder dry. Can he do that? I mean, I think Trump's the kind of guy that just is, he's like he doesn't really ask permission. He's more of a do what you want and then ask for forgiveness later. I have an idea. I'm just going to go do it. Who cares? Like, we'll find out if it's right or wrong down the road. He can do so he can do up to 15% constitutionally. I don't know if that's true. I am not a tariff constitutional expert. Yeah, there's always loopholes, right? There's always some kind of like thing that he can just, he's got, how many lawyers does he have just kind of working it right now, working every corner that he can. Yeah, I really wanted to see ES get down to that MHP level. Maybe it still gets there. We'll see. I'm just going to leave this going here right now for right now. Zen says, also would Trump sabotage his own deals? Don't think he would. He's just trying to get some workarounds. Yeah, I mean, I think he obviously wants the tariffs in place. And he's going to keep trying until he finds a way that the Supreme Court, I guess, says, yeah, you can do it that way. Yeah, and that's you're right. Charlie makes a good point. The court did not strike down the unconstitutionality of tariffs. What they struck down was that the way that he instituted them with the Emergency Powers Act is what was unconstitutional. So that's what they were striking down. My guess is he was preparing for this. And I think a lot of people saw that coming. I think he probably even saw it coming. And my guess is that they were ready and they were prepared to, okay, now this is going to be, we're going to institute this plan, as soon as we get word on that. Trader is short NQ from MHP down till ES hits MHP. That's kind of what I'm hoping for here too, Trader. Trader CN. I'm with you, buddy. I'd like to see some more weakness. I'd like to see ES reach down in here to MHP, and that should bring NQ down as well. I did not get the best entry on my MHP. I was trying to get my DOM up right as it was tapping MHP off of NQ, and I wasn't able to get there fast enough. So I got in a little bit lower down here at 908. So right at kind of the break of this big candle bar there, I got in. ES still has about 10 more points, 9 or 10 more points here. All of this is going to be a crazy week, I think. I think we're setting ourselves up for a lot of crazy news events this week. Things that aren't necessarily even on the books. You're going to have Trump tweeting all week long. He's going to, he instituted this over the weekend, so no one's been able to ask him questions about it, like in detail yet. There's going to be press conferences. They're going to ask him. He's going to say wild stuff. It's just how he is. So be prepared for some news that could really shake things up. It could be another wild week in the marketplace. VIX is still below our triple B level, and when it's below our triple B level here, we tend to we typically would say that the market is going to be more bullish, or at least not be quite as volatile. So we'll have to wait and see what happens there. That's right. That's right. I forgot to mention this on my stream on Thursday. Thanks, boss, for dropping that in there. Lifetime scooter. Lifetime rocket scooter sale is going on right now. $1,500 off. It's $2,500 on sale right now. Lifetime membership to Rocket Scooter. We don't do deals like this for Lifetime. We do them on like Black Friday. But Matt has just hired 2 new streamers, and he was like, hey, just to celebrate the launch of everything we're doing here on the YouTube channel, let's run a Lifetime membership sale. I think it goes through the end of this week. $1,500 off until March 1st. You can see there in the chat. It is an incredible deal. It's a $4,000 value, and that's going up. I believe after this sale is over, I think that's going from $4,000 to $5,000. So this is a really good opportunity to get a great deal on Lifetime Rocket Scooter tools. Matt deleted Matt's message. I don't know who else is in here typing. I don't know if that's iDoc. I don't know if that's Neon. That could be Slacks. I don't know. There's all kinds of people that can sign in and put messages in there. I think it's Matt. But yeah, $1,500 off, guys. If you want to try it out, you can get half off. It's $99 for the first month, and then every month after that, it's $149 or $159 a month. And after you use it for 1 month, you're going to understand why just going with Lifetime is the better deal. This is a product and a tool suite that you're not going to want to have available to you. You're going to want to have available to you, and you're just going to want to pay that and get it done with. So I did nothing. I know nothing, says Slacks. Okay, cool. It's all right. It's all right. Guys, get those likes up. Get the subscribes up. Get the likes up. Go ahead and share this channel. This is our very first Sunday night session. I feel like everything that we're doing right now is brand new. You want to know, I don't even know if I'm allowed to say this, but I saw the new website. And that's all I'm going to say about it. I saw the prop firm website that's Matt building to mathematically rank. I saw it with my own eyes. Y'all. You don't even know what's coming. You don't even know. Oh my gosh, dude. This thing is sick. It's sick. Some of the mods got to see it. Oh man, it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. And the Rocket Scooter community is going to be the first to try it out. Before we launch it out publicly, Rocket Scooter community going to be the first to try it out. It is, dude, I'm so excited for this. It is going to be a market disruptor. I really believe that it's going to be a market disruptor. It's going to be so cool. It looks great. That's all. I can't say anything else about it. I may have already said too much. Oh, Matt's texting me. You're fired? What? I'm fired? Just kidding. He didn't. Yeah, we got one more week to finalize the designs, and internal team mods, we're all kind of looking at it right now, giving notes to just the overall experience and where, placement of things, the wording of things, all of that. It is gonna be sick. I can't wait to show it to you guys. I can't wait to use it. It's going to be so good. So if you don't know what we're talking about, if you're just kind of joining the stream and you're like, what in the world is this website you're talking about? So Matt the developer and founder of Rocket Scooter, has built out a website, starting a brand new business, a whole new team of people running it. And it's going to be a prop ranking website that removes all of the bias out of how people decide what's the best prop firm to use. So right now, if you're wanting to use a prop firm, you don't really, the only thing you have to go on, there's some websites out there that just basically go out and scrape the data from all of the prop firms, and they just kind of scrape it all into one page and they just list it. And if there is a ranking, it's just a ranking on popularity. It's a popularity ranking. That's all it is. Which firm is the most popular based on people buying the most or using the most, but it doesn't really give you any information about which one actually has the best account for the way that you trade. Which one actually has the best account for return on investment when you take into consideration every factor that you need to be considering when you're going to make a purchase for a new evaluation. And so you have to look at what's the cost of it. What are all the rules? Is it end of day drawdown? Is it intraday drawdown? Are there consistency rules? Is there an activation fee? How long does it take to get approved for a payout? How long can you get a payout? What are the ways you can get a payout? There are so many factors that go into giving these firms an actual score. Yeah, it says right now, he says it scores the firms against each other like chess. You can't just make your data better. You actually have to make it better than the person ranked above you for your score to go up. That's fantastic. Yeah, it forces competition into the market. If there's a firm that comes in with a better score than you, you now have to do something with your rule set or your account management structure as a prop firm to get a better score than the people who are scoring higher than you. That's why this is going to be a great disruptor for the industry. It's going to be great for traders overall, I think. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. It looks amazing. You're going to be able to compare firm to firm, account to account. You're going to be able to put in how you trade. What's my pass rate when I'm buying evaluations? What's the percentage pass rate that I have? I use a set risk reward, or I don't have a set risk reward. You can put in how you trade. You can put in your information, and it will pull up. These are the accounts that you need to be looking at that meet and fit the way you trade the best. It's going to be freaking amazing. It really is. You're going to be able to customize it with your own trading sets. Yeah, to adjust the score based on how you trade. Yeah, dude. I can't wait to hear Matt talk about this tomorrow, dude. Like, it looks so freaking cool. A firm comes out with a discount, it's going to immediately update their score on the website. Matt, I don't know if this is part of it. I didn't put this note in there, but is there a way to get notifications on certain firms if the score changes? That would be kind of cool. That way, maybe you don't have to. It may already be in there. I didn't do a super deep dive like other people, but it would be cool to be able to get a notification from the website. Like if you had an account or whatever it is that you, I don't know if you have to sign up or give your information, but be able to say, hey, notify me if the score goes higher. Notify me if, there's a new discount. Like, I don't know, that might be kind of cool, is to push notifications to users when scores change for the better or for worse, maybe. A daily report that you could email, out or send out. There are favorites. Okay. Yeah. Maybe you have a favorites. Index it when the score changes. I don't know. I think that might be kind of cool. If you wake up and you just forget to go, you're like, oh, I'm going to buy a new eval today, and you just forget about it. But you've got this notification or email that says, hey, score update for XYZ firm, 90% off, $20 activation fees at Apex, something like that. Score change from 8.7 to 9.2 or whatever it is. It really is gonna be a game changer. It is gonna be a game changer. Rockstar asks, what is your current trailing drawdowns? I'm not. So if you're asking about all the accounts over here, these are 25K flex accounts. So these are Lucid flex accounts up here. There's a Lucid Black, and then Lucid Flex, and then these are my funded flex. These are all 25K accounts. And they all have $1,000 trailing drawdown. And I'll show you where they're all at. I got them right here. So max trailing drawdown is 24,313. And that is this one right here. And then this one right here, 3112, basically exactly the same on those. And then the Lucid Trading dashboard. This is the Lucid Black right here. So 24,414, just off of the high of it. This one is 24,635, which is basically off of the high of it as well. And then this one got breached off of the tariff news. I was shorting the tariff news. And obviously was a bad idea. Hey, there we go. There we go. New hour turns over. Well, not even at the new hour yet. I think I'm going to go ahead and take profit on this. Close that out. Lock in 210 there. I'm going to take that. I'm going to take that spike down and be happy with it. I'm good on that. If we get any more pops up, I don't know. Is anybody going to long the ES MHP now that we're down here? Anybody feeling that? I'm going to go ahead and lock in that profit. So this Lucid Flex account, the profit target on the Lucid Flex is really nice. It's 1250. So we have to make 1250 and we're now at 845. So we're about $400 away from passing this Flex account. I need to do some work on the Black. So let me pull up the Lucid Black here and we'll get that one ready to go. I'm not going to take any more on that one. We'll rotate in the Lucid Black account here. Man, what a night. Look at that drop down to MHP. Anybody going to long this? DD band. A DD band long on NQ? Woo, baby. Dang. We haven't had, I feel like we're trading the New York session right now, man. We haven't had this kind of movement at night in all week last week. Look at this. A long ES is hovering around DD during London session. All right, well, I feel like we're going to hit a DD band drop. What is silver? Silver's not really moving higher. Gold still just kind of started to chop now. We had this run up and now gold's just kind of choppy. Silver was topped out. Look at this risk interval though. That isn't, don't you guys love the risk interval? It pops through it and then immediately refines its footing right at the top of the risk interval there, right off of the open. Dude, I'm telling you, the math behind the Rocket Scooter tools, I can't, like, trading without it is nuts. Jason, we at Rocket Scooter don't long. Dude, when I started watching Matt trade back in like late May of last year, all he did was long. He longed I always wondered, I was like, does this guy ever short? He never shorts ever. In fact, in the boot camp, one of the things he says, he's like, you learn in the boot camp that you pretty much short too much. He didn't short ever. He longed all day, every day. He longed. All right, coming into the new hour's about to turn over here in about 10 seconds. We have seen some volatility at this hour turnover the last few nights. I'm still kind of learning the evening session. I'm still kind of learning it a little bit and how it moves and operates and flows and its personality. Darbosaurus. Sounds like an AI song somebody needs to write. But yeah, recently Matt's been shorting a lot. I feel like every time the market opens, he sends out a tweet that says closing a short for 38,000. I think he's already up 38,000 for the day. GT says, Brad, great stream. Can you please explain what arbitrage is? Matt talks about it. Thanks. Arbitrage is the difference between, if you're talking about the ARB indicator, is that what you're talking about? This is not Rocket Matt. No, it's not. This is Rocket Brad. Pocket and Longs here. Hey, y'all, do I need to play the Knife Catchers Anonymous song again for all you guys out here trying to catch the dip? Discord said volume's legit. I even saw Divergence, bro. I swear. Rocket Brad, clip this. Chat says Rocket Brad is way better looking. I'm just reading the chat, y'all. I'm just reading the chat. Just reading the chat. I'm not going to get long or short here, by the way. Until we get to DD band, I'm not going to do anything else. I need to read my Botox. Dude, Lady Darb, 40% of the vote. I mean, Neon, you could have been Neon and had, I don't know what Neon had, 10% of the vote. Maybe we need a poll. What's up, Kev Trades? Welcome in, Med. Welcome in. Hit that like button, guys, on the way in. If you're just joining the stream, new hour coming in. Probably got some new viewers coming in. Welcome in. Hit that like button. Uh-oh. To continue, we need to confirm it's really you. What? I don't know what to do about that. Is this YouTube? What's happening? Okay. I don't know what that was about. It made me like verify my identity again. I was scared to kind of do it because I'm like, is it going to shut the stream down if it says it's not me? Okay, cool. Neon did win. I for sure Neon won the second poll, 100% of the vote. Neon won. But I really feel that one was a little bit more rigged. There weren't any other options. It was just Neon. Yeah, Lady Darb has been like, babe, you got to get some shots. Like, I don't know if you can see it on the stream, but when I smile, like I get all these lines around my eyes and she's like, you look old. And she does not, like when y'all see her, I don't know when she's ever going to make an appearance on the stream. She would win the poll every time. She beautiful. I did, yes. Except I didn't see any with me and Lady Darb in them. Like in the background blurry. The party pics look amazing. She was asking if she could see some. Send them her way. I know she'd love to. Oh, yeah. Yeah, send them over to us. She'd love to see them. I don't think she'd care if you post them on your Twitter. It was a great time. It was a fun night, man. She'll be coming on the stream at some point anyway, so it's not like, you know, she's gonna drop her face card in here at some point anyway. But if you want to send them to her first, that's fine too. I did not reveal your age. She's texting me. Do not reveal my age. Look, hey, dude, I know you don't talk about women's ages. She's younger than me. I outkicked. Have y'all heard the phrase? I don't know if y'all have heard the phrase. I outkicked my coverage on her. I definitely did, man. I won the lottery when it comes to getting a good woman. Why? No, you can't come Thursday. You have a class on Thursday. Thursdays you teach. You teach on Monday nights and Thursday nights. You could come in on either Tuesday or Wednesdays. Wine down Wednesday? Okay, she'll bring the wine. That's going to be a problem. Oh, yeah, we do need to... Kevin, you're right. We do need to get Remy and Maggie on at some point, too. You know, Matt brings Pickle on. I felt like it's only fair. We could bring... Remy can make an appearance. Oh, man, we don't have any tunes going. Let's get some Sir Darb. Let's get a Rocket Scooter playlist going. Hold on a second. I knew we were missing something. It's so quiet in here. Y'all got to remind me. Turn the music on.
Catch the green wave, watch the profits grow. Chart swinging side to side. Other gurus, wild ride.
Here we go. We got to get our shirt made, Matt. I told you my brother runs a screen printing. I don't know why I couldn't say that. Screen printing. He has a huge screen printing company. He can set up like our own custom website with just Rocket Scooter gear. He did this hat. He did my hat for me. But yeah, he does a lot of bands. I'm not gonna say who because I don't know if I have permission to say who, but he does a lot of bands, band merch and stuff for big shows. People you would know if I said their names. Here we go. Have got boy. I'm gonna play Knife Catchers at DD Band. If we can get down to DD Band, I'm gonna try a small long off of DD Band. Should I make public my Suno playlist for Rocket Scooter? It's got 61 songs in it. Would anybody want that? I can make it public, the playlist on Suno. And then you can have all the Sir Darb tunes you want. Scooter skanking. Put it on Spotify. I could do it on my own Spotify. I could make a Sir Darb, but that gets into all of the distribution stuff that we were talking about earlier. Matt was trying to put together a full Rocket Scooter, and you just have to pay a distributor to pay it all out. But I also think technically he would need every person who submitted a song to sign a release that they're letting him publish their material. I don't know if just putting it in the Discord song submission channel qualifies as unlimited publishing rights. I think putting it in Discord gives him permission to play it on YouTube, because he said, if you put it in Discord, you're giving me permission. I'm just going to say that that's okay, but I'm not a publishing legal expert by any means. Even as much music industry, and I've released recorded albums. I don't know how, with all of the AI stuff, exactly how that's going to work out. No, it's copyrighted. The people who created the songs in Suno in AI own the copyrights to that music. So until they sign over publishing rights, I don't know legally how much you're able to just take a collaboration album like that. I think he would have to have everyone say, yeah, it's okay for you to distribute this across all music platforms on behalf of Rocket Scooter. Suno does own the rights. If you're not a paying member, if you use the free version of it, I believe Suno owns all of the copyright on it. If you're a paying member of Suno, if you have a monthly subscription, any song that you make while you've had that monthly subscription, you own the copyright to, even if you end the subscription. I believe that's the wording. All right, so we're starting to chop around here right above DD band. ES is sitting on top. ES is sitting on top of the overnight MHP. Y'all, look at this. We put this level on the chart when the market opened. The market opened up here. We put this level on the chart and said, this is, if we're gonna pause or we're gonna have a bounce, this is probably where it's gonna be. Came right down to it, and you can see it's really starting to struggle here. Where does it go? Do we go lower to DD bands? Do we get a pop? It doesn't feel like there's a lot of buyers trying to step in with volatility and velocity to move this back up. Typically, when you see at Rocket Scooter, what we want to see when price comes to our level, when it comes to an MHP, when it comes to AHP, when it comes to a DD band or bear zone, liquidity pocket, bull zone, all those kinds of things, we want to see velocity in the direction that we're anticipating when it reaches those. A lot of times when you don't have the velocity there, it indicates that it's there's probably some more weakness or strength depending on how your bias plays out. So we are sitting right on top of it. I kind of want to see NQ come down to DD band and get a little long play. This is part of the knife catchers. This is part of the knife catchers play musical that we're writing.
A catalyst was in effect, but I ignored the signs. What did I expect? My stop was set, but I pulled it wide. Then I added.
Man, my voice is super scratchy today. I sang at church this morning, and I sang 4 of the songs that we did, and they were belters, man. And now my voice is paying for it right now. And I was already sick. I still haven't fully recovered. Ryan, can we please see Remy? Please, can we please see Remy? I have no control over that, my friend. Piggy or Lady Darb's gonna have to bring Remy down if they want to get out. But they're probably in their PJs watching Tell Me Lies, hopefully watching the stream. But if they get him out and bring him down, he'll definitely be on the stream. Alpha says ES going to 6870.
Bound to rise, I'll master better until I die.
DB Bands is 6858. If it's gonna drop, I mean, I think any kind of MHP is holding here. We're not seeing the big strong push away just yet, but man, MHP is holding. I still think we have some more downside movement to go. I want to see NQ get to DD Band. All right, guys, get those likes up. We're at 276 concurrent viewers. We got up to over 300 on Thursday's show. It'd be nice to see that again. Let's get up. We can get another 30 people in here. Hit like. When you hit like, man, right now, the game that we're in right now, let me turn this back down. The game we're in right now on this stream is that we're breaking new ground. For this time slot, the search engine, the algorithm doesn't quite know what to do with us. And so we need your help to grow this channel and to grow this time slot. And that happens when you engage in chat. It happens when you like. It happens when you subscribe. It happens when you share. So if you could do all of those things for us, it would really help the channel out. And the more the channel grows, the more giveaways we're able to use and to give to you guys. So Lady Darb says that Remy is wiped out. He went for a walk and he has crashed. So it doesn't look like Remy's going to be making an appearance tonight. Got the music down, sorry. I know. Remy's coming. He will. He'll be in at some point. We're gonna be here every night, man. You know, this isn't like a. We're gonna be here every Sunday night. We're gonna be here Monday night, Tuesday night, Wednesday night, Thursday night. I can look at pictures online. Hold on. I'll pull the pic up. Hold on. She sent me a pic of Remy crashed on the couch. 1 second. Oh, dang it. There he is. Brown boy. That's Remy. Golden Doodle. He's got this white, see this white strip on his tail right here? He has this one, these like, I don't know how many strands. It's enough strands that, you know, you can see it. But it's on the tip of his tail. And then he has the same white spot right in the middle of his chest. You can't see it here, but it's right in the middle of his chest. So she took him over. We have this, close to where we live, we have this park. It's got like this 1 mile like trail loop on it. And she took him over there and wore him out. So, but that's Remy. He's the brown boy. Piccolo and Remy need a play date. They do. They would have a blast together. We'll have to work that out. We'll have to work that out. Guys, anybody make money on this short down tonight? Anybody make some money on this short down tonight? We made some money. We got this account. This Flex account is about $400 away. I did money. Let's P&L, baby. Let's see it. Whip it out. 4,500 short. Yep, let's go. One eval is up 400 between gold and NQ trades. Let's go, Phrase. Little baby short, 4K and counting. That's awesome, guys. Way to go. Good job, good job, good job. So we had somebody donate. We had somebody donate 2 boot camps. Kevin donated 2 boot camps earlier tonight. So we're going to do a boot camp giveaway. We're going to give away 8 boot camps tonight. If you have yet to take the Rocket Scooter boot camp, we're going to be starting a new live boot camp in March. Matt's going to teach it at the close of the market every day. When the market closes, he'll get on and there'll be a live Zoom call and he'll give commentary on all of the boot camp material. But if you want to get started on it right now, all of those videos are up. He just re-recorded the entire class. It's 20 days, 1 class a day. The cost is $20. It's $1 a day, and that just goes to support the 2 employees that put together, keep it running, run the Zoom, keep it all organized, all that kind of stuff. So it's not a moneymaker at all. It is complete master course on how to use the Rocket Scooter tools, trade positioning, trade management, all of the things that you need to really bring it together. It's happening. So it's going to happen in March. But like I said, if you want to jump in now, all the videos are there. But we're going to give away 8 boot camps. So if you haven't taken the boot camp yet and you would like to, we gave away 16 of these on Thursday, by the way. We gave away 16 boot camps on Thursday because people just kept donating boot camps. Because that's what happens. The people here that have taken the course love it so much that they buy it for complete strangers. They donate money for complete strangers to take this course. That's how good this is. No other trading community that I know of do people jump in and just start buying education for people that they don't know. But it happens here at Rocket Scooter all the time. And the first time I won the boot camp, or the first time I took the boot camp, I won a boot camp giveaway on the channel. It's fantastic. So yeah, if you want to be a part of that, type in free class into the chat. Type free class into the chat if you want to be. Kevin donated the class. He left out 1 letter there, buddy. 2 letters. Type free class into the chat if you want to be in the drawing. If you want to be in the drawing for the Rocket Scooter Bootcamp giveaway, we're going to give away 8 of them here tonight. And you guys will be in the drawing for it. So anybody that's typing in the chat, you're going to be put in there. Because we're using the wheel of names, and I'm going to pull all the participants from the chat into the wheel of names and spin it. So I'm going to give you guys a couple more minutes to type in free class. Type in free class. We're giving away 8 boot camps. Oh my gosh. Kevin. All right. Kevin just donated 2 more boot camps. Matt's going to match all that by 3. So we're giving away 16 more camps tonight. Anybody else? Anybody else want to donate? Break our record. Currently the record is 16. And we gave away 16 Thursday night. We're giving away 16 more tonight. Thank you, Kevin. That's amazing, bro. That is amazing. Billy, new here. Welcome in, Billy. Thanks for being part of the stream tonight. Glad you're here with us, man. Hope you get one of these giveaways. Hit that like button, guys. If you're just joining us, we're about to give away 16 boot camp to Rocket Scooter program. So if you're just joining us, type in free class. That will get you giveaway bonanza part 2. Yeah, you're right, Fraser. It's pretty crazy, man. This community is awesome. The Rocket Scooter community is unmatched in people helping other people out. Kevin's donated $80 tonight, and we're gonna triple that. Pocket, here we go. First Sunday stream, history was made. Enjoy, everyone. Pocket, let's go, buddy. All right, we're up to 20. We're up to 20 free boot camps. Oh my God, my voice is dying. Babe, you gotta bring me some water. I am out. My Stanley is empty. Oh, I'm not gonna make it another hour and a half. We're giving away 20 boot camps, y'all. The community is buying boot camps for the rest of you all who haven't been able to take it yet. Or maybe you've taken it once and you're like, man, I really need to go back through it. This is your chance right here. This is your chance right here. We're giving away 20 boot camps. Just type in free class into the chat if you want to be in the drawing. I'm going to pull all the chat participants, put it into wheel of names, and then we're going to spin for the free class. And then at the top of the hour, or somewhere after the top of the hour, we're going to do a prop firm giveaway. We're going to give away a Funded Next account, and we're going to give away a My Funded Futures account too. So stick around. Don't go anywhere. Man, this is nuts. I can't believe this. You guys are incredible. Kevin! Seclusion sent 20 day trading with Matt gift memberships. What is happening right now? What just happened? Yo! What? Man, the evening stream is becoming the gift stream. Holy crap! Let's go, man. Fraser! Y'all! Oh my gosh! Matt, are you here? Are you watching this? Are you working? What in the world, y'all? The generosity of these people is unmatched. Show me another stream. Show me another stream this is happening on right now. It's not. Oh my God. We're giving away 24 boot camps. That's crazy. They are going to start to FOMO. We're going to create some serious FOMO for all of those guys. In the day stream, I'm losing my voice. My wife is not bringing me any water. Do you even love me? Rocket Scooter fam is the best. All right, guys. One more minute. If you're just joining the stream, we're giving away 20 boot camps. We're giving away 20 boot camps. We're going to load it all up here into the wheel of names. And we're going to spin. You can see we've got, this is how it works, right? We just put everybody's name in here. Brad, iDoc, Pickle, Chat, Trolls, Furus, Matt, Neon. Okay, I'm not going to die. It looks like she's going to bring me water. I'll be able to finish this. I'll be able to finish the stream. Thank you, Seclusion, for the memberships. Thank you, Fraser. Thank you, Kevin. Who was Pocket? Thank you, Pocket. Oh my gosh, dude. What a freaking stream. Trolls. The trolls won. That's how it works. All right, let me jump in here and see if I can. Let me pop this out. Let me pop this out. Now, last time we did this, it grabbed all of like the HTML. I'm hoping we don't do that again. Oh, hold on. Let me go back to live chat. Live chat. We're giving away 20 of these things. I still don't feel like that's very many. It says only 45. I feel like there's more than 45 of you that have typed in free class. I think more than 45 of you have typed in free class. I'm gonna do, here's my, what I promise you. I'm gonna find a better way to grab all this and put it into Wheel of Names. Neon has one that he uses. I like Wheel of Names. I think it looks really cool. A lot of people have probably gone through it. You're right. I mean, it's fine. It just, I'm going to give a couple more minutes. I'm going to see if I can get some more participants in here. Rigged. All right, let me try it again. It's not what I want. I want to do this. Go right here. Let me try this one more time. All right, we're up to 66 now. I feel like that's better. I feel like that's a better actual like amount of people that have actually probably typed something in. All right, here we go. We got to spin a bunch. We got 20 of these to give away. Should we just do ChatGPT? Should I just put it in ChatGPT? That'll be quicker, huh? Otherwise, I got to spin it 20 times. I think that's what I should probably do. Let me just do ChatGPT. All right, let me get this off here. Hold on. Let me get a ChatGPT pulled up, and I'll put it in. I'll show you guys so you can see it's not. I'm not rigging anything. I just need to log in. All right. Pick 20 random names from this list to win a rocket scooter boot camp. And congratulate them on their win. And then we'll put the list in. And here's all the lists. Oh, my water's here. Oh, I got a pink cup. Thanks, babe. And some throat lozenges. That's awesome. Thank you.
Where?
I don't know. Guess it's like back around in the hangout area over there. But I can't get through. I have to go all the way around to get it. Thank you. My throat was dying. Nope, I'm good. Thank you, babe. Thank you. Woo. All right. All right. Here we go. Rocket Scooter Bootcamp official winners announcement. Here we go, guys. Congratulations to the 20 of you at, let's see, 343S Joe, Andy Rapley, BA55, I think that's Basshead. Basehead, I don't know. Coach Greg, Colt Treester, Dino's Den, Ian Brink, Fraser, you won. Gabe, Hidden Classical Gems, It's Wow, James Holland, Kevin donated. Kevin's not gonna win. Midnight Logic, Mr. Scary Baker, Pock Toon Trades, Ricker Tim, St. M's, Spencer, and Zill from Finland. You guys are the winners. If you want to, if you already have taken this and your name's on this list, you've already taken it, or you want to just be like, hey, re-roll my name because I don't need it, say it in the chat. Zill from Finland won last week, so donate mine. Okay, so there's one re-roll. So Zill, take off, remove Zill from Finland. Who else? Anybody else? Fraser, we can re-roll Fraser. Coach Greg, we can re-roll Coach Greg. They may not have entered. I pulled all of the chat participants, and if they've been chatting in chat, so that's why it pulled their name. I'm gonna find a better way to pull just code word comments for our next giveaway. I promise. Is Tradeovate down? I don't think Tradeovate's down. It looks like my DOM's working at least over here. It's all on Tradeovate. Trading Views working. Where did my oh, we gotta get this back up. No, where did my ChatGPT go? Hold on a second, guys. There it is. ChatGPT back up. All right. Anybody else want to re-roll? St. M's, we're gonna re-roll St. M's. St. EMZ. I'll give you claim instructions in just 1 second. It's wow. It's wow. 7698. All right. So we're gonna reroll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna reroll 5. Remove all those guys from the original list. They are donating their win. Someone else that hasn't won. So give me all of the winners above in a new list minus these guys. Let's see if it can understand my confusing directions. Minus these guys and include the new winners from the reroll. Let's see if I can confuse ChatGPT. Here we go. Updated winners list. Removed from the winner list. So there's all of the originals. And then we re-rolled. Oh, Kevin! Dang it! Remove Kevin. All right. Here's the winners. Here's the winners, guys. You guys have won. That's your 20. No duplicates, no returns, no takebacks. If your name is on this list, I'm going to take a screenshot so I can send it to Slacks. If your name is on that list, you have won a free boot camp, Rocket Scooter Boot Camp, 1 month subscription to take the boot camp. You can go now and watch all the videos. The way you're going to claim is you're going to go to the link in the description to Discord. There is a link to our Discord in the description below. You're going to go down there to that Discord link. You're going to go into that Discord and find there's a channel called Contest. In the contest channel, there's an admin named Slacks. You're going to message Slacks, let him know that you won the boot camp, and you're going to put in a screenshot of your YouTube ID so that it matches and he can see that. And then he'll get you all of the necessary codes that you need to register for the boot camp inside of the Rocket Scooter platform. So congratulations. You guys are not going to be disappointed. In fact, I bet at least one person off of this list. I bet one person off of this list is going to come back into this stream in a month and donate more boot camps to someone else. All right. Congratulations, guys. Boot camp draw is over. We're going to do a... that's crazy, man. You guys are nuts. I can't believe the generosity of this community. It blows me away. Blows me away. Kevin, Pocket. Kevin did two $40 donations. Pocket did a $20 donation. Who else? Did somebody else do one? I can't remember. We gave away 20. We broke our record from Thursday. Thursday we gave away 16 of these because people kept buying boot camps. And we just gave away 20 more tonight. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'm glad to make your night, man. Yeah, dude, it's crazy. I'm telling you. Also, if you're interested in the Rocket Scooter platform itself, we're currently running a huge sale on the lifetime subscription. The lifetime subscription is usually $4,000. It's going to be going up to $5,000 here very soon. It's currently $4,000 for the lifetime subscription to Rocket Scooter, but we're running a sale until the end of the week. This whole week, $1,500 off. So it's $2,500 all in on the Rocket Scooter platform. If you're interested in that, take advantage of it. If you're just joining the stream, welcome in. Glad you guys are with us. My name is Brad. I am the evening host for the soon-to-be #1 live day trading futures evening session here on the night shift. If you're new to Rocket Scooter overall, let me tell you, man, you need to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications because we have streams that run all day long. And I think soon, sometime in the near future, we will have 24-hour coverage of the market. 23-hour coverage, minus the 1 hour it's closed. Because that's when the boot camp happens. But Matt, the founder and creator of the Rocket Scooter platform, he streams every morning here on this channel from 8:45-ish Eastern time until about 12:30. He then goes over and hosts the lunch hour on My Funded Futures TV show on YouTube. And then Neon is our new afternoon host. He comes on at 1:30 Eastern and goes all the way to market close. And then I'm here with you every single night that the market is open from 7 to 10 p.m. So brand new evening stream. So if you usually kind of check in and you're watching futures trading at night and you're like, man, I've never seen this channel before, that's because it's brand new. We started last Tuesday night. We did Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then this is our very first inaugural Sunday night live futures evening session trading. So welcome in if this is your first time. Welcome back. Mindy says, he already won? Were you on the list? Oh, you did win again, Mindy. Okay. Perk whiz. This is my 67. See what you did there. 6-7. Mindy HQ Mindy NQ wants to donate his. All right. We'll do one more. Mindy NQ wants to donate his as well. Pick one more winner, please. The generosity. Look at ChatGPT. The generosity in this community is elite. Respect to Mindy and Q for paying it forward. All right, his reroll. I don't know where it went. Who is the new winner? Just their name. I'm confused. Zach T is the new winner. All right, Zach T. Zach T, if you're in here, you're the new winner. Are we just going to give all 266 people on watching the show right now a free boot camp? Is that what's about to happen? Zach T is the new winner. Thank you, Slacks. So we're into our familiar chop. All right, this is what we experienced last week with the chop. Look at MHP doing the work here. Look at the overnight MHP level doing the work. Are we gonna get a break lower? Are we gonna hold and bounce up? Chat, what are we thinking? You get a boot camp. You get a boot camp. You get a boot camp. This is like the Oprah show. I wish I was as rich as Oprah, though. We're making history, man. We are making history here on the night shift. Well on our way to being the #1 streamed live futures day trading show in the evening time frame. What is happening? Seclusion just gave 5 more monthly memberships. Let's go. Mark says, Brad, you have a family and grandkids. You're richer than Oprah. You are 100% correct there, Mark.
Give it to me.
That is a priceless value on that. And I'm not a frequent flyer to the island. It definitely feels like we want to go lower. We haven't gotten to DD band on NQ. We haven't gotten to DD band. I guess I can move this back up so y'all can see it. That would be helpful, huh? Oh, I forgot to tell you the live account. I forgot. I haven't even talked about the live account. Matt's working. Matt's trying to launch 3 new businesses and a brand new prop comparison website. He's busy. He won't always be in here. He may pop back in later. It is a chop fest right now. Levi, check under your seats. Look under your seat right now. You might have won a boot camp. Okay, yeah, live account. Live account, so if you'll remember, I have a live $1,000, so 2 weeks ago, I put in $100 into Iron Beam and opened a live brokerage account on Iron Beam. And over that, right before and it was the 2 weeks before I started streaming. And so the 2 weeks before I started streaming, I started trading that $100 account. I showed all the broker statements here on the stream. I showed everyone the broker statements. I traded it from 100 to 1,000. And I got several several messages on Discord just about how kind of inspiring that was, how encouraging it was, how they wish they could have been a part of that from the beginning. So I'm going to redo it. So I've withdrawn down to $200. So I took an $800 withdrawal Friday, and I haven't, it hasn't updated the account yet because I did it after the market hours. So probably Monday when Iron Beam, like when all of their office hours kick back in, the account will update. And so when it updates, I'm going to take it back down to 200 and we're going to do it again. We're going to take 200 to at least 1,000 or that, and then we'll do it again. So anybody interested in kind of that micro challenge, micro account growth challenge, I got like 10 DMs from people just being like, man, that's a great idea. I wish I could have done that. I wish we could have done that at the same time on the stream, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to do it again. I took out my $800. There was no profit split. I didn't have to ask permission from any prop firm whether I could qualify for my withdrawal. I just said, hey, Iron Beam, send me my money. Gabe. Who doesn't love watching a micro grow? I have a micro P&L. And I'm not ashamed of it. Gotta whip it out, baby. Is the market dead? Are we done moving for the night? Is that what happened? Gold back up to its highs, though. Look at that. Fraser, you still holding those gold longs? Gold working its way back out to its highs. Silver, what is happening with silver? Oh, what? Oh my gosh. Kevin. Kevin. What in the world? Kevin has donated $140 tonight to the community for people to go to the boot camp. This is nuts. Kevin 8X. Is this a Matt bot account? Is this Matt actually? Oh my God. That's 5. That's 20. Is that 20 more? Is that right? That's 20 more boot camps, right? 180 tonight. Oh, that's right. You did 40 and 40. Oh my God. Brother. This is insane. 180. So that's 20. We're doing 20 more boot camps. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Are there any new people that have just joined the stream in the last 5 minutes? Is there anybody that's just joined the stream in the last 10 minutes? Let's do that. If you've just joined the stream in the last 10 minutes and you don't know what's going on, wave at me in the chat. Matt, who's Sir Darb taking over? Let's go. Oh, dude, I wish I could take over Matt's account. Okay, so we got some new people that have just joined in. They don't know what's going on. Okay, cool. So first of all, welcome into the stream if you're just joining us. We were doing so if you're new to the Rocket Scooter community, man, look at all the new people just coming in. You just bought, is that a bad idea? It depends on what you bought. If you're buying silver, it's a bad idea. All right, we're getting a little bit of a breakdown here. Oh man, I missed my DD bounce. My DD band bounce. I wanted to do a small buy off of this position. We didn't quite get there. Maybe we'll come back down. All right. So if you're just joining the stream, welcome in. This is the Rocket Scooter Day Trading with Matt stream, evening stream, the night shift. My name is Brad. We were doing a giveaway where we were giving away boot camps because people on the stream, I was not giving away boot camps. People on the stream were buying and donating boot camps. These people have already taken it. They know how good it is. And they've been buying it for other members of the community that they don't know. Complete strangers who want to take the boot camp. And so we've had multiple people donate boot camps tonight. And every time someone donates a boot camp, Matt, the founder of this channel and this community, donates an additional 3 on top of that. So the boot camp's $20. Kevin just donated another $100. He's already donated $80 before that. So he's up to $180 in boot camp donations. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. So we're going to give away 20 more. We're going to give away 20 more boot camps. So, if you want one of the boot camps, I need to go to, I need to find a better way. We're just gonna have to deal with it tonight. We're gonna have to re-roll some because I have to pull all the participants from chat. If you want to be part of the boot camp, you want one of the free boot camps, so we're about to give away 20 more. We've already given away 20. This is gonna be 40 boot camps tonight. There's only 270 people in the stream. Almost every single person in here. A lot of the people that are already here have already taken the boot camp. So I feel like if you haven't taken the boot camp yet and you want it, type in free class. Type in free class. I literally think we're gonna get type free class if you want to be part of. Now, if you've already won one and you win again, we can re-roll. But if you haven't won yet, this is the donation stream. Hey, I'm all for it, man. I'm all about being generous. We haven't even gotten to our prop firm giveaway yet. People keep donating freaking boot camps, man. We can't even get to the prop firm giveaway because everybody keeps donating boot camps. All right. I'll give you a minute to type that in. Type free class. And I'm going to pull it here in just a second. Free class. And we'll give it a roll.
Step right up, it's Rocket Scooter time. Matt's on the mic with Pickles by his side. Over 200 giveaways a month. Oh my, more than any streamer under the trading sky. But listen close, don't be a fool. There's just a few simple rules. You only have to type the keyword once. Just once. No need for double, triple YouTube stunts. He'll know. Use extra accounts.
I didn't even plan for this song to come on, but it's a great song to have.
Watching you. When you win, take a screenshot fast. Your YouTube name, yeah, make it last. Send it to Slacks on Discord stage with the firm email, and we'll flip the page. You only have to type the keyword
Yeah, we're gonna do the we'll do the prop firm giveaway in just a bit. Let's get through all the boot camps. I need people to stop donating money.
Just type the word, you'll be in the game. No need for begging, no need for shame. With Rocket Scooter, dreams come true.
A poll to poll, maybe that could work.
For you. Rocket Scooter, Matt and Pickles and Ida too. More giveaways than any streamer's got. Follow the rules and you'll win a lot. Don't be a fool, just follow the rules. Don't be a fool, just follow the rules.
All right, let me pull up the names again. Oh my gosh, both of the giveaway tunes back to back. I love it. Giveaway bonanza, baby. I'm kind of watching the chart here because I want to get into a long off of DD band. I want to try and see if we can get a little bit of a bump off of DD long here. Let me see if I can pull up a new list. All right, so I'm gonna pull up chat again because we got it. So I'm gonna put in. So someone donated 20 more boot camps just now. I know, it's crazy. Best community ever. But now we have to pick 20 new winners. Here's a list of names from chat. If any of these names have already won, please ignore them, including those who donated their past win. So only new winners for these 20 new boot camps. Here's our list. I know a lot of you have already in here. You've already won. All right. Mark, I know Mark's going to want to re-roll. If your name's on this list and you've already won, you've already taken the boot camp and you want to, I know we're going to have to do a couple re-rolls. I know that. It's totally fine. Let me know in the chat right now if you want your name to be re-rolled because you've already taken the boot camp, you're already a member, whatever it is, we can re-roll. Adam Daz, Adam K, Alan Cepeda, BB13548, Big Frank, Bobby, Brett, Brian Thomas, Candy, Chart Dad, Colorful Craft Vibes, Daily Mana, Frosty Life, GS Strand, Ken the Trader, Lino Gardner, Lol, Mark, I know is going to want to reroll, Metro AMD, and Miss K. If your name is on that list and you want to reroll, let me know right now. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to let me know if you want your name re-rolled because you already have it. Anybody want their name re-rolled? Because I think Mark Frank, I think you've already taken it, don't you? Aren't you already a member? Metro says he'll re-roll his. You don't want it, Metro? What? Take it. Yeah, if you've typed anything into chat, then it pulls your name. That's why, even though you didn't type free class. You'll take an eval? No, sorry, this is just boot camp. If you don't want the boot camp, we can re-roll it for someone else. All right, Metro's gonna re-roll. Okay, we need to re-roll a couple names. Metro, AMD. Anybody else? Last one. Or are we just going to re-roll one name? We're just re-rolling one name. Okay, here we go. We need to re-roll one name. Metro, AMD. He's donating his forward. All right, Rios 135, you're taking Metro's spot. So here's the names. I'm going to take another screenshot of this. I don't know if Slacks is still awake or if he's new screenshot, and then I'm going to take a screenshot of Rios as well. 40 boot camps, y'all. I'm not going to tell you I'm not going to tell you don't donate anymore, but man, we really do need to get the stream moving forward, and we have other prop firms that we need to give away. And every time y'all keep donating, we can't. Well, I can't get anything else. I got to keep giving away boot camps. It's nuts. All right, 40 boot camps, y'all. Let's go. Thank you guys for all of those donations. That's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I cannot believe how generous you guys are. I can believe it only because I know how good the boot camp is, and I know that the impact it's going to have, and it's had on my trading, and I know it's had on other people's trading. So it doesn't necessarily surprise me, but I'm just always taken aback by how generous this community is. So thank you guys so much for doing that. Leave some for Matt in the morning, y'all. Leave some for Matt. Just dominating the Sunday night stream with giveaway action. We really are. We gave away 16 boot camps on Thursday. We gave away 40 tonight. 56 boot camps over the last 2 streams that this community has donated to complete strangers so that they can take part in the Rocket Scooter boot camp. All right, y'all. We have less than an hour to go. 100%. Fraser says 100% the boot camp is best thing out there when it comes to futures trading. It really is. There's no other education like it. It's really fantastic. It will change. No guarantees. It's not gonna. I mean, I can't just guarantee it's gonna make you a millionaire. But if you put in the work and you take it for what it's worth, it will I think it will dramatically, you'll be very happy. I think that's what I can say. You're going to be very happy. No one can guarantee anybody results as a trader. But we're all looking for that little bit of extra piece that you're unprofitable, you're bouncing around from strategy for strategy, mentor to mentor, community to community. Welcome home. You won't leave. I promise you, man. This community is amazing. This community is freaking amazing. We just donated 40 Rocket Scooter boot camps tonight. And we're giving away 2 prop firms. We're at 283 viewers right now, concurrent viewers. I think that's the high of the night. There's got to be 17 more people that you can share this. You can share this stream with 17 more people right now. We can get 17 more people. We can get over 300 viewers in here. Come on, guys. We got this. If you missed the list of winners. All right, here's the winners from the last 20. Rios. Adam Daz, Adam Day Key, Alan Cepeda, BB, Big Frank, Bobby, Brett, Brian Thomas, Candy Cane, Chart Dad, Colorful Craft Vibes, Daily Mana, Frosty Life, GS Strand, Ken the Trader, Lino Gardner, LOL, Metro AMD, and Miss K911. Those are the winners of the last 20. And then here is the list of the 20 before that. If your name is on any of that, if your name is on any of those, if you're one of those 40 people, I'm going to leave it on the screen for a second. You need to go to the link in the Discord of this video. There's a link to our Discord, and in that Discord, you're going to go to a channel, the contest channel. You're going to find the admin in that channel named Slacks. You're going to let him know you won one of the boot camps on Brad's night shift stream. You're going to send him a screenshot of your YouTube user ID, and then he's going to give you all of the information that you need to claim your free boot camp, okay? All right, let me get over here to the chat, see what's going on. The bootcamp is a 20-day class. Oh, here we are at DD Band. I'm going to take a small 2 micro long on my, I'm going to take a 2 micro long on DD Band. 2 micros on NQ, MNQ off of DD Band touch. On my Lucid Black eval right here. MES still has room to go for its DD band, so that's not great for my NQ play there. Still got some room, but we'll see. See if we can get a little push. We can get a little push up here. Can someone explain to me how these indicators are leading indicators as opposed to traditional? Okay, so I don't really have any indicators on my screen right now. All I have is levels. These levels that I have on my screen, we put on before the market opens. We have them identified as high volume pivots. The DD bands are based off of risk intervals from margin requirements that our Rocket Scooter algo basically calculates all of the math and shows us what the risk intervals are. Where'd my hold on a second. Let me pull up my Rocket Scooter. Just it. Yeah. So it pulls in all the risk interval information based on the margin requirements from the CME group for each of the products that we're trading. And then it calculates that and tells us where the DD bands, upper and lower, which basically represent kind of the extremes of where price should stay within. And in rare instances, it will trade outside of those DD bands. We have a lot of statistics that show us that if the market closes inside of the DD bands a vast majority of the times. So anytime the price is coming down to a lower DD band, that is an EST play in every single time position. So we're going to take the every single time play because that's where our edge is that every single time we anticipate price closing, moving back up inside of the DD bands. That's not to say that it can't come lower. It could come a lot lower. It could come low enough to stop me out, which is going to be like 45, 50 points is where I would look to stop this out. If it comes down there, then I'd say, you know what, I'm wrong right now. I'll have to pivot and wait and see what else happens with the DD band. The DD band is this green line at the bottom of my screen. Zoom out here, you can see this is the QQQ close, because this is all based off of the options market for QQQ and SPY, all of this information. But it calculates where our overnight MHP or monthly hedge pressure is. We had that calculated before the market opened. We knew where that was. We knew where the DD band was going to be as the market opened. So this is price is sitting at our lower DD band level right now. And I would like to see it support. It's overshooting it a little bit. I would like to see it support here and get a little push up. I'd love to see it go all the way back up to MHP. I don't think you're going to get that. The market is showing a lot of weakness tonight. That's why I went in with a smaller position, because I don't feel super confident about DD band really holding up here, especially with the ES DD band even lower with more room to go down here. But I'll put the risk on. Take it. We do not go all in. We do not pull port. The invalidation of the DD band is basically one risk interval, which on NQ is 40 to 50 points. Is where I would say that I'm probably going to be wrong. I am in a long position right now. You can see right up here above my head, I am in 2 longs, 2 micro NQ contracts on this Lucid Black 25K fund, flex account eval. And I'm going to have to take my first little restroom break here, guys. The water has caught up to me. The 2 full Stanleys. My voice is fine, but now I gotta go. So I'm not gonna be as fast as Matt, because number one, the closest bathroom to me is like a 1-minute walk from this office. So I'm gonna go take my little walk. Give me about 2 or 3 minutes and I'll BRB. Y'all entertain yourselves. I'll turn some music up here for you.
I'm steady, got my eyes on the prize. Bulls owns my turf, watch my profits rise. No chains, no limits, I'm trading to win. Rocket scooter screams, let the battle begin. Every single time. I'm owning this fight. P&L's my crown. I'm king of the before sunrise, back at the screen, chasing the freedom I've always
Doubt in my chest, me versus me, I give my best. Pressurizing, I won't fold. This is my moment, my story told. Ride that rocket, take me higher, through the chaos, through the fire. Edge is clear, I trust the flow from the pocket, I let it go. Ride that rocket. Losses cut deep, scars don't fade, but steel is forged where fire's made. Lonely battles I face the pain. Freedom's worth the cost I've paid. Pressurizing, I won't fold. This is my moment, my story told. Ride that rocket, take me higher, through the chaos, through the fire. Edge is clear, I trust the flow from the pocket, I let it go. Ride that rocket. Alone in the fire, I stand tall. No fear inside, I'll risk it all. Ride that rocket, take me higher, through the chaos, through the fire. Edge is clear, I trust the flow from the pocket, I let it go.
All right, we're back. My little 2 micros doing some work here off the DD bands. I like it. Still don't have a lot of faith in this trade, but I am going to take the every single time play. What'd I miss? What'd I miss?
Sat there watching, heart locked tight. Signal was flashing, but I froze on sight. Price took off like a runaway train. Let me
Turn the
be
music down,
out
sorry.
with nothing but shame. Had the shot, but I let it slip. Fear in my veins, no strength in my grip.
All right, all right.
No glory.
So I actually used the restroom really quick. It's just that the office that I'm streaming in at our apartment complex is like the closest bathroom to it is, it takes me like a minute to walk to it. I don't know why they didn't, like, they built out this really nice office suite complex in the apartment unit that we live in. There's no bathroom in here. I guess they just figure you're just gonna walk back to your apartment if you need to go to the bathroom. I don't know, but otherwise, I don't know if I'm as fast as Matt on the bathroom breaks. Dude, where did you get this music that is about trading? All of the music that you hear on the stream tonight is my own music that I made with Suno. So, and probably when I write a song inside Suno AI, Suno does all the music production. I probably do anywhere from 50% to 80% of the lyric content. The rest is AI, either Chat, GPT, or Grok. And then I build out all the prompts for the music. I'm a musician by trade, audio engineer by education. Have a lot of experience in the music industry, in music production, all that kind of stuff. So I spend a lot of time on my AI songs. I probably spend 2 to 3 hours from start to finish. Maybe not all at one sitting, because I might come and go, but from the time I come up with an idea for an AI song, it usually takes me 2 to 3 hours of work to get the song the way I want it. Who is my favorite singer? Man, I go back and forth. I really like Chris Stapleton just as a vocalist, and his style of music just resonates with me. Just kind of that Southern blues outlaw rock kind of vibe. I dig. And I think he can just freaking sing. But all of these songs that you're hearing, I made in Suno AI. But if you want, in fact, let me go ahead and push pause on this, because there's some songs inside of the in the Discord, part of the public side of our Discord channel. There's a song submission channel, and any user, including anybody here watching tonight, can go and make it. Look at this, 310 concurrent viewers. Way to go, guys. Way to go. Top for the night right there. I love it. Anyway, if you're watching the stream and you're like, oh, this AI music is kind of cool, you can go write your own AI music. You can put whatever lyrics you tell chat to come up with, whatever lyrics you want, or Grok, and then take that, put it into Suno, and then you can go into Suno, tell it what you want the song to sound like, and then it spits out options for you to choose from. A lot of times they're not very good right off the bat, depending on how good your prompts are and how specific you are, and all the settings you can do with Suno. It actually has a studio on the back end. You can take whatever song it has, dump it into the studio. You can edit it from there. You can upload your own music to it to add to it. You can actually sing into your phone. You can actually sing into your phone a melody or even just some lyrics, and then Suno will take that and extrapolate and build out an entire song based off of that. It's pretty freaking amazing. But anyway, we have a song submission channel in the Discord. So if you want to be part of the community and help contribute to that, we play songs on the stream all the time from users who I want to play this Balut Frenzy song. I want to play this Balut Frenzy song. Somebody I think it was Friday, Matt was talking about eating balut, which is like this, I don't even know what it is, but there's a picture with it. I'll play it too. So
I love to eat balut, duck egg. I'm eating it detached. My wife is iDoc, she's the best I've met. She's feeding me something I haven't finished yet. It's tasty and it's savory. I'm craving that balut. Crack the top and get in there. I'm seeking out the loot. So don't be a wuss, I'm a balut eating man. I'll eat the whole thing because I know I can. Oh my gosh, look at that duck.
this is supposed to be Matt staring at balut, which is like, I guess, a mostly formed baby duck still inside of its egg that you cook and eat it. I don't even know. I couldn't do it. Half incubated duck or something like that. It's supposed to be like a delicacy in other cultures. But I don't know. We got a song here from, I don't know who this is. G. Kaboom margin call.
Rest in peace, my granny, and she left me all the moolah. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom.
And they put a nice little graphic up here with it as well.
Granny, and she left me all the moolah. Yeah, I think about her every time I load the futures. Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. I was in my room trying to learn a better system. Then I took a loss and it hit me like a missile. What was that? Margin call.
R.I.P. my granny, she got hit by a bazooka.
It's gone. What the hell I blow it with? What the hell I blow it with? A reckless market flip. Every time I close my eyes, I'm drawing charts about that slip. Every time I close my eyes, I'm thinking.
IDOC is not Filipino, no.
I don't know what you wanted me to do. No risk plan, I don't.
The DD band is for today.
Account died when I pushed it.
That is, we are at the lower DD band right now on NQ,
Rest in peace, my granny.
and I'm in a small
Think about it every time.
2 micro position.
Kaboom, kaboom.
I would love to see it
I was in
pop back up here to MHP. I don't know that we're going to get that,
and it hit me like a missile.
but it is supporting. We had a little bit of an overshoot, broke back through. It's holding. These high volume pivots that Rocket Scooter tools predict are absolutely incredible and powerful. They work so incredibly well. Kevin put in a song called Rocket Scooter Colt. Let's take a listen. It is 6 minutes long though, so I'm not sure if we're going to listen to all of this. Well, it may not be the low per quiz app. It is a spot where you anticipate that the market will pause because it's all based on the risk interval and margin requirements from the CME group for specific instruments. And so only 8% of days will close outside on the lower end here. Only 8% of all trading days will close below this DD band. That's just statistics. That's just math. That's not me like making that up. Like we just have the math behind it. Only 4% of days will close above the upper DD band. So 92% of the time, the market, if it touches the lower DD band, 92% of the time, the market closes back inside. Now it might only close a couple points back inside. It might close 200 points back inside. I don't know that. I can't predict that, but I can predict that when it gets down to this point, this is going to be a high volume pivot area, and we can expect there to be a reaction from the market. It is not a trading view indicator. It is part of the Rocket Scooter tools. If you are a member of Rocket Place, then you get access to the Rocket School tools. Most of our, what I would call the power tools section of Rocket Scooter are not available overnight because most of the tools that you see, like if you look right here on the screen, this is the SPY options. Let me close this chart down. You can see we have bull zone, bear zone, we have liquidity pockets in between, we have half gaps, we have the open and close. What's not on here are our MHP levels because they don't calculate overnight. The actual MHP levels that track the SPY options and the QQQ options. So we take all the information from the SPY options, from the QQQ options, and we correlate it over to NQ and ES to be able to trade those futures. And we have down here, you can see this is what's called a resiliency indicator. We have a few more things that just aren't available at night because the stock market is closed, which means we can't track the underlying instruments that we use during the day in the evening. But what we can use, we still have very powerful levels to use to trade from. We have our overnight monthly hedge pressure. This MHP is monthly hedge pressure. We have up at the top, we have our weekly hedge pressure. which happens to be way up here tonight. They change every day. And then we have our DD bands, which are based off of our risk intervals, which are based off of the margin requirements from the CE group. We take all that information and we calculate where these levels are going to be before the market opens. We have these levels on our charts. We know exactly where we can anticipate where we want to take potential trades from. It was a joke cult song. I like it. I like the vibe of it. It's pretty cool. Let's go. Guys, we are hitting all-time highs on viewer streams right now. Let's go, people. I'll stay on until we start slowing down. We got a full steam ahead, baby. Let's rock. Perk Whiz app. So these are like liquidity zones, but based on options market data. Yeah, so we take them options market data from SPY and QQQ. We run it through the algo. We run it through the backend servers that there's like, I don't think Matt said there's like 5 different individual servers that it runs through. It's a very complicated math process. I am not a math nerd. I'm a music nerd. But anyway, they run it through all the calculations, and then it spits out and tells us, here's where high volume pivots are going to be today. You can take a volume profile, a fixed range volume profile, and you can say where is volume going to be. The fixed range volume profile tells you where volume was. Look at my chart right now. Are y'all looking at this? The fixed range volume profile for tonight's session on ES. This is ES chart. Where is the highest volume at? Where's the highest volume node? Where's it at? It's in freaking MHP. I didn't have to put on my volume profile indicator to tell me where the volume was going to be tonight. It's really that predictive. Let's look at NQ, shall we? We'll just do the same thing. I don't even know what's going to happen on this. We did not have much volume at MHP on NQ. Most of the volume has been up here. DD band has held. Volume, the fixed range volume profile it shows you the past, where volume was in the past. Rocket Scooter tools show you where volume will be in the future. It's forward looking. This is freaking amazing, dude. Look at that. I had no idea, I didn't know what was going to happen when I put that fixed range volume profile on there. Have I run a back test? I used to change. I traded volume profiles a ton. Volume profile trading was one of my main strategies. I kind of paired volume profile along with a lot of the ICT, technical analysis, price action. Before I found Rocket Scooter, that was my main way to trade. So volume profile is not part of the Rocket Scooter trading platform because it looks at the past. It looks at where volume was. Rocket Scooter looks at where volume will be. So we know ahead of time where we can identify, well, we can use that information in a lot of ways. We can use it to trade to certain points. We can use it to trade away from certain points. Volume profile with VWAP is strong. There's a lot of people that have a lot of success trading volume profile, VWAP strategies. I'm not here to knock any strategy, but I am here to tell you, Rocket Scooter's GOAT, baby. Rocket Scooter's GOAT. All right. How's everybody's nights doing, man? Are we green on the night? Are we green on the night yet? It's nice to see the night shift, the evening session actually have a little volatility to work with and some levels to work off of. I don't know, Rockstar or Ray, I don't know what's going to happen here off of the DD band. We're so weak. We are extremely weak in the market right now, at least off the open. From the highs, 246 points on NQ. 246 points down from the highs off of NQ. That's a good movement on the Asia session here on NQ. We haven't had that kind of movement, at least since I've started streaming in the last week. Neon took a nice short. Let's go. Cover on the stream tomorrow. Looking forward to that. If you're new with us and you're just joining us, my name is Brad. I'm the evening streamer here on the night shift, the soon-to-be number one live day trading futures evening show on YouTube. Neon, who is in chat that you just saw, said he took a short. Neon streams on this very same channel every afternoon from 1:30 p.m. until market close. He takes you all the way through power hour every single day. And then Matt, our founder, our leader, is doing a $100K to $1 million challenge on the morning stream. Well, he's doing it all day. He trades all day, but he showcases it on the morning stream during the New York Open. He streams from about 8:30, 8:45 Eastern all the way up to 12:30 before he goes over and hosts the My Funded Futures lunch hour. And then Neon picks it up in the afternoon and I pick it up in the evening. So you know what we need to do that we haven't done yet? We need to do a giveaway of a prop firm. Who wants a funded next 25K rapid account? Who wants a funded next 25K rapid account? Type in funded next into the chat right now. Type in funded next. Type in funded next right now. We're giving away a 25K Funded Next Rapid account. These are great accounts. Funded Next is a great firm. One of the best firms out there. Let me tell you about the 25K. Let me pull it up here. Oh, we go to the futures. They have a CFD side. We're going to go to the futures. Rapid challenge. 25K rapid. Profit target is $1,500. The maximum loss limit is $1,000. There is no daily loss limit. There is no activation fee. There is no minimum benchmark days. This is a one-time fee only. It's all in. If you were to purchase this, if you use code Rocket Scooter, you get the best available discount from Funded Next. These rapid accounts are really nice. You get 2 minis on the eval. If you pass the eval, you get 3 minis, but when you become funded, there is a 40% consistency. So basically what this means is there's no consistency on the eval. So you can pass in 1 day, and then if you trade for 3 days with 40% consistency, you can get a payout. So you can go from buying your eval to getting a payout within 4 days. They have a 24-hour payout guarantee. I can vouch for them. It is very fast. They do use Rise as their withdrawal system. So they usually approve it very quick. It's usually to Rise within a few hours, and then however long it takes for Rise to send it to your bank. It's very quick. It is very, very quick. These are great plans. I can't wait to see how these score out on our new prop firm comparison website that Matt's building out and will be releasing. I did get to see a sneak peek. If you weren't here at the beginning of the show, I saw a sneak peek of the website. It's badass. It's so freaking cool. I cannot wait to share it with you all. But yeah, dude, we're killing it here. We're going to give away a 25K funded next rapid account. Type in funded next into the chat. Type in funded next into the chat. While we're waiting on that, let me tell you about our lifetime deal that we have going on at Rocket Scooter. We've got a $1,500 off a lifetime membership to the Rocket Scooter tool platform that you see we're trading here on the screen. Currently in a little too micro NQ position long off of the DD band here. Looking for it to get a little bit of a bounce. I don't know how much we will. We're kind of in the little dead hours here of our Asia session time frame, but we'll see if it continues to grind higher here. The deal goes for 1 week. The lifetime deal is all this week. So $1,500 off. It's usually a $4,000 purchase for lifetime. I believe Matt said recently that's going up to $5,000 here pretty soon. So you're going to want to take advantage of this lifetime offer. It's $1,500 off. So $2,500 is the current price for lifetime Rocket Scooter. That is on sale. I don't know if is there a code for that, or is it just, if it's just on sale, you don't have to do anything for it. I'm not sure. I need to find that. That would be good information for me to know as the host of one of the shows. I probably should know that. Also, if you weren't here earlier, my gosh, we had people donating boot camps left and right. We've had over $180 worth of boot camps. The boot camps are $20 each, and then we match it times 3. So we gave away 40 boot camps tonight already. And we're not even done. We're giving away a 25K funded next account right now. And in just a few more minutes, we're going to give away a My Funded Futures account too. So we're going to do funded next first. Type it into chat. We are rocking and rolling. Welcome into the night shift, guys. If you're just joining the stream, if you would do us a favor, as we continue to break new ground here in the evening session, on our way to becoming the #1 evening session, if you would hit that like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. It helps the algo to pick us up. Just in the last 20 minutes, we have picked up more streamers now than we've had all night, or more viewers now than we've had all night. So whatever you guys are doing, keep doing it. The algo likes it. It's getting us out there. Keep hitting that like button, and we will continue to grow. All right, guys. I'm going to grab all of the participants, and we are going to dump them into the wheel of names. Let me clear all this out. We don't need this anymore. Oh, I went too far. Delete all that. Let me grab the new list of chat participants here. We on live chat? We are on live chat. All right. We are going to grab all of these names, and they keep coming in. Everybody wants the funded next account. I'm trying to grab it before it pops in any more names. Oh, dang it. Missed it. All right, I think I got it. Let me see. Okay, it's going to do the crazy HTML thing again. I can tell you right now. This happened last week. It did a crazy HTML, and we had to give up. One of the winners ended up winning. Anyway, all right. We're going to give away a funded next 25K rapid account. We're about to spin the wheel. Here we go. It's going to pull up some crazy HTML. All right, here's the name right here. Cameron Beck 1943. Cameron Beck 1943. If you're here, type into the chat right now. I'm here. Cameron Beck 1943. If you're here, type it into the chat. I'm going to give you about 30 seconds to do that. And if you don't, we're going to re-roll. Cameron Beck 1943. Are you here? He's here. Let's go. Congratulations, buddy. You just won a Funded Next 25K rapid account courtesy of Rocket Scooter Team. Guys, the more you use the Rocket Scooter code when you make your purchases at your favorite prop firms, the more giveaways we are able to do for you here on the stream all day. Matt gives away a ton in the morning, Neon gives away in the afternoon, and I do giveaways here every single night. We give away more prop firm accounts on this channel than any other channel out there. Cameron Beck, good job. Cameron, you're going to go into the description of this video below. You're going to find a link to our Discord channel. You're going to go to the contest channel there in Discord, and you're going to find a guy named Slacks. He's the admin of the Discord. He hangs out in that channel all the time. He's probably hanging out here in the chat right now. You're going to message him and just send him a screenshot of your YouTube user ID. And you're going to send him an email that is associated with Funded Next. If you don't have one, go ahead and set up an account with Funded Next. And you'll send him that email, and then he will give you all of the information that you need to claim your free account. So congratulations. I know it's almost 10 o'clock, but man, the stream is hopping tonight. Chat is on fire. We're growing. Why not just stay on? Y'all want to stay on for a little longer? What an incredible stream tonight, guys. You guys are freaking amazing. All right, we'll stay on. We'll do one more giveaway. We'll do one more giveaway in 15 minutes. We'll do one more giveaway in 15 minutes. If you're just coming into the stream, welcome to the stream. This is the Rocket Scooter evening stream. This is the night shift. My name is Brad. I am one of 3 streamers on this channel. We stream all day, every day. Matt, the founder of our channel, who built the Rocket Scooter platform, he is doing a 100K to $1 million challenge in the morning on the New York stream. And then after he hosts the My Funded Futures lunch hour, Neon takes over in the afternoons from 1:30 until market close. And then I am here every single night. This is our very first Sunday night stream. And I honestly think it might be the biggest stream we've had so far. We started last Tuesday night, breaking new ground. First time ever we have been streaming in the evening session. We've never had an evening streamer, and we've never done a Sunday night stream before. So this is first time ever. It's gone better than I could have expected. It's gone better than I could have expected. We gave away 40 boot camps. We gave away one 25K rapid account already. We have one more account to give away. We're going to do that in about 15 minutes. So hang out with us for a little bit longer tonight, guys. Usually I pull the plug right about now, and I tuck everyone in, and I clock out. The night shift clocks out, and I say goodnight to everyone. And if you have never been a part, if you have not been a part of the good night tuck in, you want to stay around for that. I promise you, it's pretty awesome. We're going to do another giveaway in about 15 minutes, so just hang in there. I do have 2 little micros long here off of the DD band touch. Not getting a lot of velocity away from this, but this is the night session. You don't get a ton of velocity. What's gold doing? Gold is just ripping. The gold and silver are back to just hit buy. Gold and silver are just back to just hit buy. What the heck? Am I still on? There's something going on my YouTube side. Am I frozen? It's asking me to do this whole new verification thing again. Request access to streaming. I'm still there, but the whole back end is gone on my end. Okay, still on. Neon text me. Good. I'm gonna hit. If this all dies, I love you guys. I love you. It's been amazing. I don't know what's gonna happen when I do this. It's asking me to verify my phone number. I don't know if it's asking me. Matt, I'm wondering if it's asking me for your number or mine. So weird. First time this has happened, so we're gonna see what happens. I love you all. If this kills the stream, I love you all very much. I love you all very much. Okay, I got a text message. Let me see what happens. Oh, okay. And close this window and go back to YouTube. Oh, but I need to be on this account. I don't. Okay, we're back. Okay, back end is working. Back end's working. Okay. Back end's working. All right, guys, we're back. All right. You hang with me. Hang with me for 10 more. We're going to do a giveaway in 10 minutes. All right. We're going to do a giveaway in 10 minutes. We're going to do a My Funded Futures 50K account. And I believe it's 50K rapid. That's what we're giving away. If you want to go ahead and start typing MFF into the chat, you can do so. I'll let you guys type that up for a little bit. Get chat going. Fire up MFF. We can get that going. Oh, we're missing music, man. We're missing some music. I'm going to play one of my favorite songs in here. One of the favorite ones that I have submitted. Semi-autobiographical. Not everything in this song happened to me, but a lot of it is very true. You guys enjoy this. Type MFF, type MFF, type MFF.
See the green on the screen. The payouts, the wins. DMs blowing up. Teach me, King, drop the pen. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight. The truth. 9 years in the trenches in the fire. Let's rewind. When the door first cracked open, this ain't luck. This is blood on the token. 2016, 41, punching in at the office grind. 5 days a week, 9 to 5, leaving dreams behind. Drop 10K straight from the overtime. Evenings Uber driving, weekends gigging just to stay alive. Ramming for dinner, Red Bull for dessert. 2 steps forward, 3 back, felt the universe flirt with my collapse. Red candles like fresh scars. Kids asleep upstairs, I'm whispering to the stars. Eviction notice taped to the door like a stop loss. Palm broken, my watch counting every cross. Kids asking that when's dinner, I'm nodding yes. But I'm still on the clock, still deep in the mess. Wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Late 24, doom scrolling on lunch in the break room. Stumbled on rocket scooter, mess spitting tactics. YouTube live, no fluff, just raw edge and truth. Breaking down the tape like a surgeon with proof. MHP and EST, let the winners run free. His voice cut the noise, unlocked the key. Sign up that night, dove into the vault. Everything I missed at 41, now they whisper my fault. Still punching 5 days, but now the charge so big. We can hustle cash, turn seed money. Finally seeing no way. It wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight. Overnight, yeah right, tried 3,000 sunsets.
Micro's doing work, baby, let's go.
Trying to trade full time alive. The crowd claps for the glow up. How'd you make it so quick? I smiled through the grill, son, it took every brick. Started at 41, 5-day punch nights and weekends fight. Now I'm 50 and free to trade my life. Wasn't overnight, 9 years paid the price. It wasn't overnight, side hustles every night. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter lit the flight. It wasn't overnight, it wasn't overnight.
DD band, baby.
Memory lane, it's a bridge, not a grave. It wasn't overnight, rocket scooter mad, you a real one. It wasn't overnight, from the dark to the dream. It wasn't overnight. Yeah, we making it.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my 40 points. Got my 40 points. Good to go, baby. That's 2 wins for the night. Let's see it. Anybody take that DD band play? I love this song, man. Dang. Tell me that's not good. Love that song. All right, guys. We're going to do a draw. My Fun and Futures. Let me get rid of all these names. Let me get rid of all those names. Whoa, God, I did that last time. All right. Chat, let's go. All right. Pop it out. Participants. Man, this thing is so particular about trying to copy names. All right, got them. Here's the new names. 114 of the 320 people. So it's WoW. I can't use the Botrix because it's logged into the master account and I would have to have his master credentials, which I don't have. The way we have it set up is Neon and I have permissions to stream. We have permission to access the back end of Rocket Scooter YouTube platform so that we can stream. But all of the other things that go along with it, like we don't have all the, like that's just not wise. Matt's just not going to give out master account details for all that. It doesn't make any sense. We just have to come up with our own way to do it. We're still working on, both of us are still working on how we do it the best. I think Neon's I like the wheel of names. If there was a way that I could grab all of the comments and then copy it into Willow Names. I think that would be the best way, but Willow Names doesn't have that feature in and of itself. So we just get all of the crazy HTML stuff going on in here. But all right, here we go. My funded futures 50K account. You know what we need is we need to know about that 50K account. Hold on one second. Let me tell you about. I'm trading the these are rapids. I'm trading the flex accounts. Oh, you know what? I already have it up. I wonder. What I don't know is if it's gonna dox me if I pull it up though. Like I think if I. Oh no, here we go. Okay. It gives you the last 4 digits of my card, but you can't do anything with that, so screw you. 50K Rapid. So the perks and features of the 50K Rapid plan: maximize your payouts with a 90% profit split in sim funded. There are no activation fee on all sizes. Daily payouts eligible after first day of trading. 500 minimum, up to 10K profit per day. There is no daily loss limit in the eval and sim. End of day max loss is available, I think is what it means. Trade up to 5 contracts in eval and sim funded with 10 to 1 micro scaling. Trading rules, here we go. Evaluation trading rules. So 3K profit target, 2K max, end of day drawdown in the evaluation, 5 contracts max position, 10 to 1 micro scaling. On the funded side, it moves from end of day drawdown to real-time intraday drawdown. So you gotta be careful of that, okay, on these. If you pass this eval, you're gonna have a real-time intraday drawdown on this account. All right. Great plans, great company. I also cannot wait to see how these all score out on the new website. All right, let me get back to. I got to get back to the wheel of names. Let me get rid of all this. Here we go. Wheel of names. All right, guys. We're spinning for one 50K Rapid My Funded Futures account. Good luck. Holy crap, we're at 366 viewers. Look at that. That's the highest number of viewers we've ever had on this stream at one time. All right, where's the name? Where's the name? Where's the name? Where's the name? Kushal, here it is. All right. Kushal Learning. If you're in here, type something in the chat. Say I'm here. Kushal Learning. If you're here, type something in the chat. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to type something in the chat. If I don't hear from you in 30 seconds, we're re-rolling. We're re-rolling in 30 seconds. Kushal. Kushal Learning. Kushal, he's here. Thank you so much. Slack's got you. Kushal Learning, you're going to go to the into the description of this video below you. You are going to go to the contest channel in our Discord channel. Go to the contest channel and you're going to find Slacks. He's already in here. He knows you. So you're just going to go there. You're going to send him a picture of your YouTube ID. You're going to send him the email associated with your My Funded Futures account. And then he will give you all of the information you need to know about how to claim your prize. Good job, guys. Congratulations to all the winners tonight. We gave out over 40 boot camps tonight. Over 40 boot camps tonight. We gave out a 25K Rapid Funded Next account. We gave out a 50K Rapid My Funded Futures account. There's no other stream that gives out more accounts every single day, every single month than we do here at Rocket Scooter. Man, I can't believe, man, we popped over 370 there for a second. That's crazy. Way to go, guys. Keep hitting that like button. If you're just joining the stream, welcome in. My name is Brad. This is the Rocket Scooter Night Shift. We go from 7 p.m. Eastern until 10 o'clock Eastern every single night. I know we're already past 10 o'clock, but man, I'm having a good time. You guys are having a good time. We're chilling. My voice is about to give out, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to go tonight. I'm looking forward to Matt's stream in the morning. He's continuing his 100K to $1 million challenge. I think he's like 440, 450 now. He's on his way to $1 million. He started with 100K in December. I think he lost. He had a bad December. It was a crazy December. I think a lot of people. I had a bad December. But yeah, man, he's killing it on the. He's up to close to 450 now, almost to $500,000. He'll be at $1 million here, I bet, by the end of March. It wouldn't surprise me at all. Then we got Neon in the afternoon coming on at 1:30, and then I'm here every single night. So what a great stream it's been tonight, man. I'm so glad that you guys are here. I'm so glad you're watching. I'm humbled and blown away by the support this channel has received. Look at this, man. Great time to get out. I got my 40 points off of the DD band. I love it. It may still keep going up, but I'm done trading for the night. I'm not going to take any more positions. There's nothing else here for me to do. So I think we go out on a high. I think we go out on a high. Colt, thanks, man. Great stream. So he says, great stream. Billy says, Brad, I'm going to stick around in case you guys give away an actual e-scooter. That would be pretty sick. That would be pretty sick. That would be pretty awesome. We'll have to talk to Matt about that. Yeah. But listen, guys, what an incredible night. What a great stream. We hit high new numbers tonight on everything, all the way around. I'm so humbled and honored by your presence here. You guys make this stream as good as it is. It has nothing to do with me. I promise you, it has nothing to do with me. I'm trading little 25K flex counts, my little micro P&Ls over here. We did get 2 good winners tonight. We're close to passing one. We're working on about 4 others. But man, just incredible night. I love you guys. If you want to get tucked in a very special way and hear probably the best good night song, good night lullaby, you're about to hear it. This has quickly become a favorite thing of mine to do to close the stream down, is to say goodnight to everybody. All right. I'm going to be back tomorrow at 7 p.m. Matt's going to be on early in the morning, probably around 8:45 a.m. And then Neon's going to pick it up at 1:30. The tuck-in is the best, man, isn't it, Fraser? If you want to get tucked in, just stay out, hang out in the stream, because I'm about to say goodnight. It's been an incredible evening with you guys. I've had a blast. Hope you've had a blast. We'll be doing more giveaways tomorrow. But for right now, night shift is clocking out.
Screens are off, orders thin, final print.
Thank you, Colt. Have a great night, man.
Chat slows down.
Good night, Mark.
The room goes calm.
Have a good night, Kevin. Thanks for all the donations tonight, buddy. Love you, buddy.
Kill the doubt, no need to shout.
Good night, Rising Phoenix. Thanks for being here, buddy. Eden, appreciate you, dude. Ollie, of course, man. Good night. Have a great night. Fraser, great night, buddy. Good night, Brad. Good night, Austin. Good night, Adam. Sleep tight, Ken the Trader. Thanks for being here, man. Lino, Adam, Levi, man, you guys are killing it. Thank you so much for being here. Good night, good night. Oh, switch over. Gosh. Good night, it's Wow. Good night, Moose and Torlax. Good night, Randy Ray. See you tomorrow. Yes. See you tonight. Good night, Caboose Trades. Good night, Dave. Good night, Esteban. Good night, D-Chad. Gotta tuck you guys in. Ian, good night. Boomer, good night. Thanks for being here, man. Appreciate you. And Vander Roast, thanks for being here, man. Hero Villain, good night, buddy. Rockstar, thanks for being here, buddy. Appreciate you. Have a great night. Brian, good night. Wave Chappelle, good night. Matthew, good night. The song is called Clocking Out. I wrote this. Good night, everybody. Love you guys so much. We will be back tomorrow. Sweet dreams of green tonight for everyone.
Sweet dreams of green tonight. Sweet dreams tonight.
Good night, Zanuck.
Night shift, clocking out. Close the charts, power down. Good night, sleep tight. Sweet dreams of green tonight. Night shift, clocking out. Night shift, clocking out.